Thoroughly tested for reliable, leak-resistant performance. Uniform wall sections and smooth coolant flow cavities for efficient operation. Coated seals with a stainless steel spring for durability. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. An ACDelco GM original equipment engine water pump circulates coolant through your vehicle's radiator and engine system to help maintain proper engine temperature and performance. This original equipment water pump has been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Warning. Top reviews from the United States. OEM and authentic. Mounted right up and has worked like a charm. Used Felpro gaskets instead of the supplied paper gaskets, but other than that all fit perfectly. Get the right thermostat housing 'cause I don't believe it came with it.